Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of homemade samosas, where we'll guide you through the process of crafting these irresistible treats in just 3 minutes. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and impress your friends and family with the ultimate homemade samosas. Let's dive in. Samosas are crispy, flavorful, and downright addictive. In this quick video, we'll show you how to make them from scratch with ease. From essential ingredients to serving suggestions, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Essential ingredients. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, potatoes, peas, onions, green chilies, ginger, and a blend of aromatic spices. Don't forget oil for frying and your favorite chutneys for serving. Step-by-step tutorial. First, prepare the dough by mixing flour, salt, and water until smooth. While it rests, prepare the savory filling by sautéing onions, ginger, and spices until golden. Add boiled potatoes and peas, then let the flavors meld. Next, divide the dough into balls and roll each into a thin oval. Cut in half to form semicircles. Moisten the edges, shape into cones, fill with the savory mixture, and seal tightly. Now, let's fry these samosas to perfection. Heat oil in a pan and gently fry the samosas until they're golden brown and crispy. Remember to turn them for even cooking. Once done, let them drain on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Serve your freshly fried samosas with tangy tamarind chutney or spicy mint chutney for a burst of flavor. Pair them with a steaming cup of masala chai for the perfect snack or appetizer. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of homemade samosas in just 3 minutes. With our easy-to-follow guide, you can enjoy these crispy delights anytime, anywhere. Stay tuned for more quick and delicious recipes on our channel. Happy cooking! There you have it. In just 3 minutes, you've learned how to make mouth-watering homemade samosas that will wow your taste buds and impress your guests. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.